Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Most people don't miss money because it doesn't exist. They miss it because they don't see it. Before every big opportunity appears publicly, it emits invisible signals. Smart wealth builders detect the signals early. Everyone else arrives late. Today I introduce Fire the Opportunity Signal Decoder, the internal radar system that trains your mind to spot money before the crowd. Medium White Star Section 1. What is an opportunity signal? An opportunity signal is an early market disturbance, rising demand, shifting consumer behavior, new tools or platforms, emerging problems, underserved audiences. Those who move early win. Medium White Star Section 2. THE5 signal types chart with upward trend. Signal 1. Demand spikes, people seek solutions, but answers are scarce. Counterclockwise arrows. Signal 2. Behavior shifts, audiences start moving to new platforms or habits. Hammer and wrench. Signal 3. Tool disruption. New technology lowers business barriers. Speech balloon. Signal 4. Problem collision. New problems appear faster than solutions. Desert island. Signal 5. Undersupplied niches, high pain, low competition. Medium White Star Section 3. WHY. Most people miss signals because they wait for popularity, safety proof, social validation. By the time opportunity looks safe, profit margins are already dead. Medium White Star Section 4. How to activate your decoder. Keycap 1. Daily scanning. Follow trends, platforms, comment sections. Keycap 2. Pattern recognition. Ask, what problems repeat? Keycap 3. Early skill acquisition. Prepare before demand peaks. Keycap 4. Fast prototype testing. Launch small, learn fast. Medium White Star Section 5. Results of using the decoder. White heaver checkmark. Early entry profits. White heaver checkmark. Low competition wins. White heaver checkmark. Brand authority creation. White heaver checkmark. First mover advantages. Bullseye conclusion. Wealth doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from being early. Master your Fire Opportunity Signal Decoder, and you won't chase money again.